Hey, what's up guys? This is Mike with A&M. It's January 2022. So this video is actually going to be a recap of everything we did in 2021. So first off, thank you guys so much for subscribing and watching the videos. We obviously started the YouTube channel in 2021. We just hit 100 subscribers, and I'm actually going to go over the watch time and everything like that as well. But first off, I just want to thank you guys for subscribing, for sharing, for liking. That all helps the algorithm. So let's get into exactly what we did with the channel as far as 2021 goes. All right, so total views over the lifetime of the channel are 28,137. So I think that's pretty good for our first 9 months of having a channel. So I really appreciate all those views. So the total hours that we have on this channel so far are 1,124 hours. So I think that's pretty good. Like I said, we've only been doing this for about 9 months. And within the last couple months, a couple of those videos have been getting a lot of traction. Like one video got 4,000 views just by itself. So some of those videos might just take some time to get going. You know, I don't know how YouTube does it, but some of those videos that we posted, some of the first videos we posted are actually now getting pushed and they're getting a lot of traction. So that's awesome to see. So a couple big things we did this year, if you've been following the channel, is first I bought a new truck. It was only 1,500 bucks. It was a little Dodge 2002 Ram. I picked it up for 1,500 bucks. I got a whole video on how to start a junk removal company. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. It can literally change your life. It's an easy business to start. So that's one thing we did that was pretty big throughout the year. The other thing we did, which was the first video, was we bought a 6-acre property with a pond and with a barn and a mobile home on it. So that was probably the biggest thing we did, which was awesome. So a lot of the videos show us cleaning up over there. I've been trying to do that in between working and doing some of these other videos, but there's a lot of things that are going to happen to that pond too in the future. So check out those videos when they come. Now, the last thing that was really big for us this year is we got a dump trailer. We got a 14-foot dump trailer, 7 feet wide and 40 inches tall. This has really changed the game for me because now I don't have to spend the extra time unloading at the dump. And you know, we show up, we look like we really know what we got, what we're doing, and we show up with a dump trailer and people are just like, oh yeah, these people are professional. And it's really just helped a lot. So that's the other big thing that we did this year. So now looking forward to 2022, some of the things we want to do is, as far as the YouTube channel goes, I want to get 1,000 subscribers, which I think is possible. Like I said, some of the videos that we put out at the beginning of the channel have just got traction now, and I've gotten like 60 subscribers in the last month from one of those videos. So I want to get 1,000 subscribers and I want to get 4,000 hours of watch time. Obviously, this is for monetization. This way we can actually start getting income for these videos, which would be awesome. It's just extra income for stuff that we're already doing. We're already going to these jobs. All we're doing now is recording them and showing you guys what we're doing. So like I said before, don't forget to share this, like it, press the notification button. If you have any ideas or anything, let us know, because this is such a new channel that we can pretty much take it any direction we want to go. The next thing I want to do this year is actually get rid of that Dodge Ram 1500 that I was talking about, and I want to upgrade to a bigger truck, which is going to allow me to pull more weight in my dump trailer. We're actually working with a guy now, and we started doing tree removal. So you will see more videos with the skid steer and more crazy tree drops and tree removal videos. So that's something you can look forward to in the future going forward in 2022. The next thing we want to do is really work on that property. I want to get that house done, clear some more land. If you even seen how much we did from when we bought the land to now, it's dramatic. I mean, I cleared probably about, I'd probably say, an acre over there, but I still want to clear more. We actually have river rocks we want to put in. We want to almost make like a waterfall going into the pond. I got some sand. I want to actually build a beach over there too. So there's a million things to do over there, but I'm hoping to get some of those projects completed this year and maybe get that house remodeled this year as well. So yeah, I feel like those are attainable goals that we can really reach in 2022. In the future, I want to do a lot more things, but we're just gonna keep it kind of simple 2022, and you know, get those subscribers, get that watch time, get a bigger truck, and fix up that property, which is kind of what we've been doing. Also, we want to really get more interactive with you guys. So anything, like I said, that you guys think you want to see, or if you think I should be doing the videos a different way, whatever it takes, we want to get our videos out there and we want people to watch our content. If you tell me that, you know, you get through some of our videos and you're like, it got boring around the 5-minute mark, you know, that's something we can change. We're such a new channel that we have room to grow and everything like that. But besides that, man, 2021 was a great year. I started this YouTube channel. The business has been doing good. A lot of you guys have given me positive feedback, which has been awesome. So keep watching, keep liking, keep subscribing. I know I've said that 100 times, but it really does help the algorithms and everything like that. Yeah, so look forward to a bunch of new videos, a bunch of new content this year. And thanks for watching, and have a good one.